What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, being the market one trade at a time. If you're the Market Marauders, an investment channel, helps you find the best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos to help more people. All right, so I'm going to be giving you some picks for tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be a pretty big day in the market. On Tuesday, a couple of big companies making pretty big announcements, just big things going on. So I just thought I'd give you an update on what's going on and some stocks that I will be keeping my eyes on for tomorrow. So for the first one, we have ticker sign AMZN, and that is for Amazon. Moving average 10 on them is $3,458.72. Moving average 50 is $3,273.10. Moving average 100 is $3,220.04. And they ended the day today at $3,442.93. And after hours went up $19 more to go up to $3,462 even. So pretty big mover as far as that's concerned. If we look at the chart, this is a 30-minute chart. We can see that they are bullish, denoted by the moving average 10 line, which is this red line, going above the moving average 50 and the moving average 100, which are denoted by the purple and yellow line. But you may be saying, why do I have this on my watch list for tomorrow? So one of the reasons I have it for my watch list for tomorrow is that upcoming, if you're not familiar, we have Prime Day. So Prime Day is basically Amazon's, big unveil. They have a couple of products that they're going to be selling for cheap, but it is where a lot of people can get really good deals, buy products for really cheap that they normally would get, and then get them fast because it is Prime Day. So it's going to says Amazon Prime Day will run through Wednesday, October 14th, with discounts more than 1 million items. And then it just goes through a breakdown of some of the stuff on here. So going into Amazon, we can see that some of these items are already listed on here. So they have cutbacks on some of their tablets, the Echo device, Ring device, some tablets. We click on here, we got some more Ring devices. They got some cutbacks on the TVs. So pretty good deals on TVs. Some more TVs. But, pretty good deals, pretty good markups for that. You can see the savings on the side. So 60%, 33%. You can see 43%, 36%, 60%. So a lot of their devices are being sold for cheap. And that's why I have them on here, because I think, looking at the volume from today, going back to the stock, and how it's performing, I think Amazon Prime Day, to me, is just going to be a precursor to what the holiday season will unfold for the company. So the next one I have on my watch list for tomorrow is going to be Apple. So Apple shot up today, went up just a little bit today, but it is bullish, denoted by the moving average 10 line being above the moving average 50 and moving average 100. So its moving average 10 is $123.84. Moving average 50 is $117.49, and the moving average 100 is $116.26. So it ended today at $124.40, and after hours went up 52 more cents to end at $124.92. So Apple tomorrow has their event. I'll link this event into my community tab. So if you can't find it, you can just go check out my community tab, and it'll premiere once Apple actually premieres it. So if you're trying to find the link to it or can't find it or forget about it, just check out the community tab on my page, and I'll have a post for it there, and you can watch it as it streams. So going to the Apple event, it's a pretty big historical moment for Apple. As you know, they're going to be producing their 5G iPhone, where they're going to be the main focus that I've seen for a lot of it is going to be on speed. Speed is something that, the whole 5G atmosphere was built around. So in essence, we're going to need devices that can adapt to that ecosystem. Now, Apple's not the only company that has 5G phones. Samsung has 5G phones, like the phone that I have, which is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It is 5G capability, so it's just that Apple sets the industry benchmarks as far as, they control majority of the market share as far as hardware for phones is concerned. So it's going to be interesting to see how their phone actually performs compared to the other industry standard phones. So there are some reviews, I think, on YouTube of the phone itself, and other YouTubers will have access to it to review it and compare it to other phones. But this is the large reveal. So a lot of people are going to be watching to see if they're going to be buying it when they become available for sale. Also, another item that we're looking for is AirTags. AirTags is something that we've been waiting for the company. It says AirTags will integrate into the Find My app. Will take advantage of offline tracking capabilities. So any way to find your device, to find your camera, to find your keys, things of that nature, AirTags will definitely help as far as that's concerned. So definitely interested to see how the technology is going to be implemented into this new iPhone and how it's going to be adapted to the rest of the iPhone ecosystem. Also, they're going to have their AirPod Studios, which they already have the AirPods out currently. I think the AirPod Pros are out, but the AirPod Studios, going to see how they perform, and also considering the fact that they have kind of discontinued the other devices on their platform, so they don't really sell like the Beats headphones anymore. They don't really sell the Bose headphones anymore. So Apple is kind of going solely direct with products that they make, which maybe seemed as a bad move, but we kind of saw that they were gearing more towards an independent system or independent product line themselves. It seems to be the direction that Tim Cook is going, especially if you remember WWDC 2020, where they moved from the Intel chips to use their own silicon chips. So definitely going to be interested to see how that performs, if the customers like having just the Apple alone products themselves, or would they like to have a variety of products, and how these actual products that they're developing compare to the other industry products. So it's not just saying that, okay, we're going to take these products off of our shelves, but how do they compare to the other products? So if they held up against the other products and they're better than other products, then I think it's going to be a pretty big and beneficial move for them to take Bose and other products like that off their shelves. But if their product can't hold up to those other products, then they're kind of screwing themselves, in my opinion, by taking their partnership with those companies and just going sole source. So those are the things to look for that. Going to our next stock, we have ticker sign WKHS for Workhorse. Workhorse went up today, kind of went down towards the end of the day, but it shot up and went bullish today. So their moving average 10 is $27.68. Moving average 50 is $25.42. And the moving average 100 is $24.88. So they ended today at $26.58. And after hours went up 21 more cents, then at $26.79. So Workhorse today announced that they have secured a $200 million financing from institutional lenders, which is pretty huge news for the company. I know the company, one of the catalysts that a lot of people are looking for is a possible partnership with the Postal Service, and having that deal where they're converting all their Postal Service vehicles to electric. As to my knowledge, that deal has not been confirmed yet. I know the Postal Service was going through a lot of different changes. They were kind of running out of funding. But that may be something to look forward to with the possible Biden election. I know the Democrats have been looking into different things like the Green New Deal and find renewable sources of energy. So that may be back in the works, a deal of that nature, and funding the post office through taxpayer dollars. So either way, if they convert that fleet to electric and use this company, it's going to be a huge deal for the company, and potentially see the stock shoot up even more. So I'm definitely keeping them on my watch list, especially as the debate goes on, to see what more deals this company has. I think they make a pretty good product. Their electric vehicles, are used for like warehouse applications, so like delivering packages, delivering food, things like that, but sort of like industrial type vehicles. So, it's not like they make a bad product, just waiting to see if that deal will execute or if another large deal of that magnitude will execute, since their product, I do believe, is a good product. So going to the last one on here, we got ticker sign NET for Cloudflare. Cloudflare. Their moving average 10 is $55.08. Moving average 50 is $46.77. Moving average 100 is $44.59. And they are bullish, denoted by the moving average 10 line being above moving average 50 and the moving average 100 line. So I have this one on my watch list because, they announced something today. They ended today at $57.01, and then after hours went up 80 cents to end it at $57.81. So it says Cloudflare announces Cloudflare One, a platform to connect and secure companies and remote teams anywhere on any device. So if you're not familiar with the current working ecosystem that's going on, basically a lot of people are moving to remote work. I think Twitter and possibly Facebook, but I know Twitter said that a lot of their employees were permanently going to be working remotely, which, may be a good thing or a bad thing for them. I don't work there, so I don't know. But I know working remotely is becoming the new norm, especially as cases of the virus continue to increase. So this Cloudflare is going to be giving a solution to help people integrate their workflow solutions from day to day, which is something that's definitely needed in this new atmosphere of working. So definitely see why the stock is going up. Interested to see how they will roll this out and how connectable it is. But they are also in this niche of Zoom and Microsoft Teams. So they do have, pretty big competition as far as the niche that they're in. But I think, by the way the stock performed today, they definitely have investor confidence behind them as to integrating these solutions to their company. So those are the ones that I'm looking at for tomorrow, with Apple being, the number one biggest catalyst for tomorrow, and their announcement. It's going to be a huge announcement. Make sure you check out the community tab for that. And also next being Amazon Prime, with Prime Day coming up, and Workhorse and ticker sign NET for Cloudflare. So drop a link down below. Drop a comment down below. Tell me which stocks you guys are looking at for this week. Make sure you hit that thumbs up to the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.